Exhale. Feel your neck release, your mid back, all the way down to your low back, navel to the spine. It's a nice natural movement of the breath through the belly. Is creating a massage. Creating a massage, and your organs are a bit like sponges. So as you squeeze them, it helps old energy release and fresh energy flow in. Okay, today, let's take it to the side. Inhale, turn to the side and open. When we twist and turn to the side, it's good for the lungs and the chest. It's also good for the organs in the sides of your rib cage, the stomach, the spleen, the liver, and gallbladder. Really, healthy metabolism comes from all of the internal organs working together in harmony. So feel that nice, full opening through the core. Let's do a few more deep breaths here. And relax. Release the arms.